Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Middle-earth: Shadow of War game. So after launching Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see under general language option is selected as English. If you want to change the language from English to any other language, you can easily change from here. Just for example, select French and the language will be change to French language. Now restart your PC and you can access the game with that particular language. But if you want to change the language again back to English, then again select the game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to select English and it will be revert to English language once again. So by this method you can easily change the game language from English to any other and again revert back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.